Hey guys, welcome. I'm Parshvika. Welcome to the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Well, in today's video, we're going to be talking about June updates. Yes, it's almost at the end of the month and we are here with the June updates. Now you can see again a different background and I'm also currently in the Bali Ubud and I am currently in different Airbnb that I was before. So let me just give you a little bit tour. It looks like this is kind of like a mosquito net over here, and it's one bedroom and one bathroom kind of like stuff is there, and all that greenery thing is there. So it's a new Airbnb. I came here yesterday only, so it's still new for me. So let's dive in with today's monthly update. Give this video a big thumbs up, consider subscribing for more such videos. And if you are looking for cool free resources, the links are in description box below. You can support me in my channel, the Patreon. The link is in also description box below. You're gonna get early access to my YouTube videos. A lot more content is there. Make sure you do check it out. The link is in description box below. Well, anyways, today we have the Zazzle updates, we have the Creative Fabrica updates, and then I'm going to talk about what products, what design or niches that you could target in the late June and in the early July or something like that. We're going to talk about that. Let's dive in. Now, the first, I have a Zazzle updates for you because in this month, the Zazzle has some updates. So we're going to talk about that. Now, since this was the LGBTQ month, so that means the Pride month. The Zazzle was asking a lot of the creators to submit their portfolio with the creators Zazzle store to actually feature them. That was kind of a thing which I've already mentioned in my May update. But in the June update, one of the things is that they have the poster department breakouts. They have actually breaking out the different departments they have for the poster, like the party poster, party game and activities, wedding posters, wedding games, school and classroom posters, kids posters, wall signs. So they have a pretty much of the breaking down of the different department. That was the first update. The another update is that the new product launch, that's the pop grips by pop sockets, like the sockets you see at the bend of at the back of the mobile phones. Now this one is not having a socket, but you get my point. So we are super excited by you to create a pop socket by Pop Grip. We are sure you have seen or even owned one of these extremely handy phone grips, like you get Dara, it's a phone grip over there. So that's a new product launch. Now you can create your own phone grip, the model look like, and the different inspirations that they are having for you to show up for the creator inspiration, and for also the keywords that you could target if you're targeting this particular product. Now this is a great thing about the Zazzle, that whenever they are launching a new product, they give you the inspiration and ideas what you can go for. That could be the niche ideas or that could be the product ideas, and they also give you the keywords and the things that are ranking on Zazzle. So if you are targeting that particular product, then you can really hold on and you can really hop on with these keywords, with these niches, with these design ideas to really make money. There is the new size and shape for doormats. Now doormats are quite hot. I also sell a lot of the doormats on Zazzle, and they are really cool and really fun to actually design them. They have coming up with the new size and shape for the doormat. That's pretty interesting. Earlier they used to only have one rectangular size and that's it, but now they are coming with the various different shapes that you could get it, and you could very well create them. The doormats come with a range of features that will delight both you and your customers. Crafted from 1A smooth fleece with white edge bounding, the perfect canvas for your designs. The sturdy latex action backing ensures non-slip grip, providing practicality and safety for any doorstep. So they have a much more steps. You can really read about them. You can really take out the different size and shapes for the doormat. It is the feature evolution for cover photo becomes media manager. Now I have already made a video talking about that. I've already made a video showing about the media manager, the new update they have on their cover photos, how to manage it, how to actually upload the cover photo there, and everything I've mentioned in that video. I'm going to leave that video in the card section above if you haven't checked it so far. But in that media manager option which they launch in the June, it's pretty cool. You can have a different cover photos for the same product, and you can literally manage them in a simple and easy way. Like it's kind of like an updated version to their media manager. Earlier they were having the media manager option, but it wasn't that cool. I wasn't having a lot of the options as in comparison to currently they are having. So that's great. And make sure you check out that video because it will really going to help you to know what exactly I'm talking over here and how you could actually manage that media manager. And if you have checked out that video, then you could probably relate what I'm really talking about, how to use this media manager in the Zazzle new store updates for your store products, for uploading the cover photos. So that's all about the Zazzle updates. Now, the first update from the Creative Fabric I have is Endless Inspiration on the Go. They have launched the new Spark application. Yes, the Creative Fabrica Spark is a really success for the Creative Fabrica. It shows like that. That's why they have launched the new application for the Spark feature. And I think currently it's only on the App Store. It's not on the Google Store. So if you're having a MacBook or even if you're having an iPhone, then you could very well install this Spark application from the iTunes library. Being fun and creativity with you wherever you go. Access easy to use creative tools to unleash your creativity and join a community of creators to explore and get inspired, captivating designs. So that's great. Like you can literally download the application because the application comes really handy with the website. Pretty much for me because I'm kind of like a more mobile person than the laptop person or desktop version. So that's why. So you can download the application via the App Store. You can log in with your Creative Fabrica login details. And currently they are saying that it's a free application. I'm not really sure. I haven't downloaded their application, so I'm not sure whether all the features they are having in their application is free or not, whether you need to pay for them or whether you do need to have a Creative Fabrica Spark subscription for using their application. I'm not really sure about that because I haven't checked it. So make sure you let me know if you have checked their application and you know about it, whether it's paid or free, whether you need to have a Creative Fabrica Spark subscription or not. Let me know in the comment section below if you know more about it because it will really going to help the other. Having related to Creative Fabrica Spark, the second update they were having is about they are featuring some of the designers that are very popular on their website, which are selling very well on the platform. One of the designer they were actually featuring, and I got an email from that, was a designer more than 10,000 plus followers, having a lot of the favorites and usually selling the watercolor work, like the watercolor sets, the posters, the animals and all that stuff. She do use the AI art feature on their Creative Fabrica Spark, and she also create them in digitally. So that's what the designer they are featuring. I think it's in their blog article. Maybe they are kind of like started with featuring the top designers on the platform. Via the blog articles, that is something new they have started. I haven't seen them before doing it, maybe, but I've seen this is the first time, so that's why I'm mentioning about it. Like if you're interested in checking out the top designers on Creative Fabrica, you want to learn from them, you want to see what other products sells well for them, then this is like something is really interesting. You can take a look at their shop and you can take a look at their products having the most favorites, their reviews, what kind of products they're selling, the design types, the niche market, the product ideas. Designer they are featuring is the Dutch Lady Designs. Now she has been actually doing these designs from several years, kind of like a pretty old, older than me because I started my designing stuff in the 2021. So, but she's having like 10,000 plus followers on Creative Fabrica. That's interesting. And so many favorites, like she has 1,000 plus favorites, so that's pretty interesting. And see, she's usually having the watercolor work, watercolor animals, digital papers, the flowers, the agate and marble watercolor textures and all that stuff she's selling. So you can read about the interview to know more about this. All the June updates. Hopefully you find the June updates interesting. Now let's talk about what you can target what you can target for the July, for the upcoming months. Especially for your Zazzle store, Redbubble, or any print-on-demand store, or anywhere in the online space. Now, since it's the end of the June, that means the Pride month is over, the Father's Day is gone, Mother's Day are gone, everything is gone. Now we are looking for 4th of July, Independence Day. Now, this is quite late to upload the products for 4th of July, Independence Day, because we're already about to reach to 4th of July. So I'm not gonna tell you to target for 4th of July. But if you have already uploaded them, then you can go and actually update the title tags if you're interested, because this is the best time to get the sales for July, 4th of July. Okay, the next one, then we have the August. That's the back to school niches. So if you are still interested in uploading the back to school niches, then this is the best time in the early July. Don't do in the mid July or late July, because that would be really late, because people are purchasing to buy these products in August. So that's the niche you can target. Another, you can target the September, the Labor Day, because the Labor Day is there in the September. So you can upload the niche or products or related to the Labor Day right now. Another thing you could target is the Halloween. Yes, Halloween Christmas season is coming, guys. We are about to end with the second quarter. Like June is the end of the second quarter and July is the beginning of the third quarter. So this is the best time to upload the Christmas niches, the Halloween niches, Thanksgiving, Hanukkah, or even for the New Year. Like this is the best time to go for the quarter four. So if you don't want to go with the smaller niches like back to school niches or Labor Day niches or 4th of July, then I would highly recommend you to go with the Christmas products this time. Halloween niches, Thanksgiving, Hanukkah, and all those stuffs that are coming in the quarter four, because this is the beginning of the quarter three, the best time to upload the products for the quarter four, and the beginning, the first few months of the quarter one, like the New Year or the Valentine. So these are the products or niches or designs that you can target at this time of the year. So these are the updates. Now for me personally, the June has been really slow in terms of the sales. Now few of the shops were having a good sales for me. Now few of the major shops that are popular are in low sales this month. Not sure what happened, but I see that May was a big hype and June is a little bit drop in the sales. Maybe it's seasonal. Maybe something like that. In July it will going to again pick up. So that's what I'm seeing currently with my Zazzle shop, with my print on demand sales. Like few shops that I'm focusing are having a little bit lower in sales this month, but it was higher in the May. And the other shops that are not my major shops, that are secondary shops, are doing pretty great in the June. So that's about my update about my own print on demand. But that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you find it useful, and please let me know your questions, your comments, your queries, or if you want me to make a video on any specific particular topic. I would be really interested in that, because it's really amazing to make the videos for the people, especially the topics in which they are interested in. It's so much fulfilling and satisfying for me as well, and maybe it's for you as well. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you the next time. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.